one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. I see you carrying a lot of tiredness, a lot of heaviness, and you've kept trying to go forward. You've been doing what you can do, but you've been longing for a place of rest. You've been longing for greener pastures. And the Lord says, I am meeting you in your need. I'm bringing you into a place of refreshment. I'm bringing you into a place of renewal. I am the one who is there by your side, committed to you, faithful and true. Do not be afraid, but trust that I am with you, that I am the Lord who is restoring you, that I am the Lord who is healing you. Do not be afraid, do not fear, but wait upon me and trust in me, knowing that I am with you, the Lord who brings refreshment to your heart, the Lord who heals and restores you. For I'm bringing you into a place of renewal. I'm bringing you into a place of peace. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.